We are very enthusiastic about the initially customer-driven development. After all, we like to deal with new topics and want to optimize things and make them more efficient every day. On the one hand, to create the maximum for the customer, and, on the other hand, to make a contribution to industrial production with our actions. When we make assembly processes more efficient, that doesn't necessarily always mean faster, but also includes energy efficiency, materials, consumables efficiency, etc. Of course, all of this is always coupled with EUTECT control technology. This control technology also includes data acquisition, of course. Control without data is not possible. If you look at the system, you see pure control technology. As soon as the mover travels over the XPlanar or over the chambers, it is incredible what is happening in the background. What we find fascinating is the non-contact, the accuracy, the possibilities and the flexibility that the system can provide. You can run individual cells in one piece and in chaos and freely configurable, etc., which is not possible with a classic conveyor system. The colleagues are very technically minded, which is why the motivation is very high. When Hans Beckhoff suggested that we implement automation with his kinematic revolution, we were very honored. Every day we bring our best to this line, as well as to future lines, with everyone giving their best all the time and at every moment. Therefore, I'm very proud of my colleagues and the system behind me. It is a beacon for me personally, as well as for the EUTECT company. This completely new technology was a challenge, and I'm very happy to have tackled this issue with my colleagues. Of course, I'm also very happy about the professional competences of the individuals who have, of course, expanded these competences as a result. As a result, new possibilities were created once again, which at the end of the day can not only be used in this machine, but will also have an effect in other projects.